Good morning, student. This is your teacher Meenal and today we will be studying about energy and human life. The food that we consume in the form of carbohydrates, fats or any other form, how it is converted into ATP, that is body's energy currency. So let's study about this in this particular video. As we all know that in case of living organisms, respiration occurs at two levels, at body level and cellular level. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged between the body and the surrounding in case of respiration occurring at body level. In case of respiration at cellular level, foodstuffs are oxidized either with or without help of oxygen. You all are aware about this respiratory system. Now, carbohydrates of the food that we consume every day are mainly utilized for the production of energy for our daily need. And this energy is obtained in the form of ATP. For this purpose, glucose, which is a type of carbohydrate, is oxidized step by step in the cell, and this process is called as cellular respiration. Now, this cellular respiration occurs at two methods, that is aerobic respiration, where oxygen is evolved or used, and anaerobic respiration, where oxygen is not evolved. So we will be studying about both this in this particular module. Now first we will study about aerobic respiration. Now in case of aerobic respiration, glucose is oxidized into three steps. The first step is called as glycolysis. Now if you divide this word glycolysis, glyco means glucose and lysis means breakdown. So basically this is breaking of glucose and that takes place in cytoplasm. Now in study or to detailed study of glycolysis, a molecule of glucose is oxidized step by step in this process and two molecules of each, that is pyruvic acid, ATP and NADH2 and water are formed. Now a new word NADH2. NADH2 means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, which is an enzyme that is formed in the cell and it is used in cellular respiration. So as you all know that glucose, which is a 6C carbon compound, is converted into pyruvic acid, which is a 3 carbon compound. Now molecule of pyruvic acid form in this process are converted into molecules of acetyl coenzyme A. As you can see, pyruvic acid, which is formed here, is now converted into acetyl coenzyme A. Now what is this acetyl coenzyme A? It is a molecule that participates in many biochemical reactions of different kind of food that we eat, and its main function is to deliver the acetyl group to citric acid, which is also known as Krebs cycle, to be oxidized for energy production. And in the same process, two molecules of NADH2 and two molecules of carbon dioxide are released. Now going to the next step, which is called as tricarboxylic acid cycle, the short form which is TCA cycle, or it is also called as citric acid cycle, or as I already told you, the Krebs cycle. Now what is this Krebs cycle? It is a series of chemical reactions. Series means one reaction leading to the next one, and this is used by all the organic or anaerobic organisms to release the stored energy through the oxidation of acetyl-CoA derived from carbohydrate. As we have already studied how we get acetyl-CoA in the glycolysis step. Now this also takes place in case of mitochondria. Now what are this cycle in details is, both the molecules of acetyl-CoA enter mitochondria. Then as I told you, it's a cyclic chain that operates it on the mitochondria. And what is exactly happening here is, the acetyl part of acetyl-CoA, this particular part is completely oxidized and we get these various products, that is carbon dioxide, water, NADH2 and FADH2. As you can see, this is the diagram of mitochondria and how a tricarboxylic acid cycle takes place here. This is the outer membrane, this is the inner membrane and the mitochondrial matter. And you can see the entry of the pyruvic acid, how it is getting processed here in a form of cycle. As you can see, it's a circle. Okay, and we can see the formation of NADH2, FADH2 and carbon dioxide. Now NADH2 I already told you, that is, it is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and FADH2 is flavine adenine dinucleotide. Now these are basically the enzymes that are formed in the cell and it is used in cellular respiration. You all know what is the use of enzyme. It is used to fasten up the chemical reaction. So now in case of higher animals, the energy requirement is more. So we need the oxidation of food at a faster rate. So therefore both these enzymes are used. Now we go to the last step, that is the electron transfer chain reaction. Now this electron transfer chain reaction, it is also operated in mitochondria only. Now as the molecules of NADH2 and FADH2 are formed, okay, they participate in the electron transfer chain reaction, and it is also a chain reaction. And what is the result of this is, 3 molecules of ATP are obtained from each NADH2 molecule and 2 molecules of ATP from each FADH2 molecule. So as you can see here, NADH2 is converted into 3 ATP and FADH2 is converted into 2 ATP. Okay, so from glucose, that is pyruvic acid, to acetyl-CoA, to NADH2 and FADH2, finally we are getting this ATP. And along with this along with this ATP, water molecules are also formed in this reaction. Thus, a molecule of glucose is completely oxidized in anaerobic respiration and molecule of carbon dioxide and water are produced along with energy. So this is called as aerobic respiration. Now let's go to anaerobic respiration. Now anaerobic respiration means in the absence of oxygen. Now some organisms are there which cannot live in the presence of oxygen, like bacteria are there. Obviously to live they have to perform respiration. So that kind of respiration is called as anaerobic respiration. Now what are the steps here is, it is very simple and very similar to that of aerobic respiration. Glycolysis and fermentation, these are the 2 main states of anaerobic respiration. Glucose is incompletely oxidized and less amount of energy is obtained in this type of respiration. So because oxygen is not there, glucose is incompletely oxidized. Now what is happening here is, pyruvic acid produced through glycolysis is converted into other organic acid or alcohol with the help of some enzymes in this process. Okay, so glycolysis formation is same. But here acetyl-CoA is not forming, but what is forming is other organic acids and alcohol. And this process is called as fermentation. Some higher plants and animals and aerobic microorganisms also perform anaerobic respiration instead of aerobic if there is less oxygen level in the surrounding. Okay, so some examples of anaerobic respirations are seeds performing anaerobic respiration if the soil is submerged in water during germination. Similarly, our muscle cells are also perform anaerobic respiration when we do exercise, because that time we require more amount of oxygen. And Due to this, less amount of energy is produced in our body and lactic acid gets accumulated, due to which we feel tired, or we say cramps in the leg. That is basically due to the formation of lactic